Hello everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, you're rolling with being Queen Bee, and on today I am going to do a thorough cleaning. So first things first, I bought some duvet covers and I just decided to wash them. Nothing goes on my skin if it's new without washing. So it's a white one, and white I need to bleach them first. So that is the one I'm going to start with, then leave it to bleach, and then I go on to other duties. You see how white they are? I love white because white is simply easy to wash. It's when it's dirty or when there's something that's in it, it's so easily visible that you can wash really out. Like even soaking it with bleach makes that work even more easier. I'm not a fan of bleach, but yeah. Then I'm going to go to the bedroom and start. Like my bedroom, I haven't done deep cleaning for this room for like a week. That is how long I haven't gone. Like a week. I felt frustrated, and it had been bothering me for like, y'all don't even know. So I am going to clean my bedroom, and first by removing things I decluttered. Unfortunately, when my camera's battery were off, so I couldn't record that. So after decluttering and separating some things, I think I'll redo it again. I don't know if I got that time, but hey, I'll do that again. So I'm going to remove the things that are inside and only leave the bed, because this pallet bed baby is so heavy. This don't just look at it as being fancy and simple like that. This bed is heavy. It can be carried by 4 men and still they'll cry after carrying it. It's super duper heavy. But anyway, I need to clean it, and I'm going to use bleach mixed with water. And because it is white, you know me and white, I have to clean it, and I'm going to clean the walls. I'm going to try to clean the windows, but today it is so shiny. The sun is shining. Oh my god, the sun is shining today. I am so sweaty. It is morning hours. Actually, it is 9 and it is so hot. But anyway, I'm going to clean all the stuffs that I have. And I'm not going to show you the bathroom because I already did a bathroom like 3 days ago. And yeah. Then after that, I'm going to dismantle the bed and then mop, clean the floor. This is what I do weekly. Like if I don't do this, I feel like there's something I haven't done. Like things are not really do. And then the reason why I do this weekly is because where I stay there is a lot of soil, like a lot of dust. The road is not well made, so there's a lot of dust that's getting in that you have to clean no matter what. There's no room for laziness here. The road is so dusty, the dust gets in, and I love to leave my windows. I love my house aerated, so I love leaving my windows like that. So weekly I have to do this and have to mop daily. I haven't done that in 2 days because I was really trying so that I can make this video. I swear to you, if it was not for this video, I would be crying right now. But anyways, yeah, someone said I have OCD. I don't see me having OCD, but yeah, so we're going to rearrange all that back. Yeah, I may have it. Who cares? Now that I've cleaned the whole of the floor, I'm going to return my things back. When I bought this mattress, unfortunately, the person who carried it tore it, and I'm not ready to have bed bugs in my house, so I sewed it back. I didn't do the perfect job, but I did the job. So I'm not going to put duvet cover because I only have two, but they're all going to be washed in a while. So yeah, I'll have to be like that. If you all have any secrets for washing the duvet without using washing machine, because unfortunately I don't have a washing machine, you guys can link down below, because your girl has been contemplating on how to wash her duvet before putting the duvet covers. I wash my duvet covers weekly, but I've been meaning to wash the duvet. So I've been really thinking of where to find the how means how me personally I love washing my stuff because I believe in how clean my hands can do the job. I'm sorry for those who take their things to the laundry. I'm not dissing you, but if you guys have any tricks or ideas how I can do that, because these are 6x6 and they're heavy, so y'all can just give me that idea down in the comment section below. I'd really appreciate that. If you have reached up to this point ever and haven't gotten bored with my voice, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. And yeah, I know my toenails look really bad, but anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna wash these and then hang them for like, I'm gonna give them 2 hours, because let me tell you, the wind that is outside here and the sun that is outside here, I think like 2 hours is quite a long time, but I'm just gonna give it 2 hours. At this point it was like 10-ish, 10-ish, 10:30ish. So yeah, and I decided to wash with my other clothes. And I am using Ariel that is infused with Downy. I am allergic to Downy. I'm allergic to the scent of Downy. So this is a mixture of Downy and that's why I'm using it, and I love it. So we are back with the sitting area come kitchen. My sitting area is very close proximity with my kitchen. My kitchen and my sitting area is like the same place, so that is the area that I'm going to clean, and yeah, just enjoy that. So honey, let me tell you, my balcony is a disaster. I have been thinking for almost a year now of how to make this balcony or veranda like somewhere where someone can sit. I don't know how I can do that because look at the walls. That's one. Number two, my drainage is not fixed. Number three, when you look up, I'm gonna show you that in a minute. I have no way whatsoever for me to put seats behind there. My house is already too tiny to hold seats, so I'm not going to buy seats. I love space. Look at that. Just look at that. Look at it. And then the up parts are not finished on both sides. So if that wind blows, because there's a lot of wind, the whole of the soil is down there, and that dust down there, it is just for 4 days. That part is for storage. I don't know why they told me not to use that part, but anyways, I'm not going to use that part. But this is a 4-day disaster. Yeah, so yeah, I'm just gonna clean it. So I'm also going to clean and arrange my makeup desk or my studio because also that needs to be arranged, needs to be cleaned, and other things need to be placed. I haven't decluttered these parts. I only decluttered my clothes, like my closets, but those drawers have not been decluttered, so maybe that I'll do in the next video. Yeah, baby. Because it took me a long time, and at this point it was 12 noon, I decided to take a shower because your girl was sweating like nothing. So I needed some exfoliation for my face and my skin, and I decided to go with St. Ives. And for exfoliating my face, I decided to go with Cool and Cool. And for lotion, I'm going to go in with Dove Nourishing and Castle's baby oil. For my face, I'm going to go with Biodermal, Rose Water, and Jojoba or Dermol. It's a sunscreen. So I don't know what I was doing at this point. I was tired. I was really tired of being holding the camera, and I was just tired of literally everything. I just wanted to go somewhere and just fall there and sleep and don't wake up for like, I don't know, until the rest of the day. Yep. So this is my finished look, and I think I'm going to leave you guys at this point, and I will see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up, comment your suggestions down below, your critiques. I really appreciate them, and at the same time, keep safe, enjoy your day, and I'ma see you on my next video. Bye bye. I love you guys.